They're off in the Knickerbocker. Sir started well. Sir Dudley Diggs showing speed. Smooth Daddy to the inside, sent along, and Blacktype is right up in there too. And here comes Hello Don Julio squeezing through on the inside, up and after the lead as they go into that turn. So it's Hello Don Julio and Blacktype now who will lead the way early on. Forge goes up on the outside. Sir sits back, sits fourth. A break of another 3 lengths more. Back to Spring Quality, fifth onto the backstretch, and then comes Smooth Daddy on the inside, the Gray Gatsby, followed by Sir Dudley Diggs and Camelot Kitten. The first quarter is up in 24.27 seconds. Hello Don Julio, the leader. Blacktype, 3/4 of a length off of him, and now Hello Don Julio gets away a length and a half. Sir is on the inside of Forge, and they're 2.5 lengths from the front. And then it's Spring Quality on the outside. Camelot Kitten, Smooth Daddy between those two. Sir Dudley Diggs and the Gray Gatsby are together, and they're 8 lengths off the lead as they continue their journey through a 49.14 half mile. John Velasquez and Hello Don Julio lead the field into the far turn by a length and a half over Blacktype in second. Forge is third on the outside. Camelot Kitten right against the hedge in fourth as they move into the turn. Then Sir. On the far outside, Spring Quality is next. The Gray Gatsby and Smooth Daddy, Sir Dudley Diggs at the back of the pack. Blacktype has taken the lead here from Hello Don Julio. As they come to the top of the stretch, 3/4, 113.84. They're into the stretch, and it is Blacktype. Blacktype is the leader here. Hello Don Julio tries to battle on the inside. Sir comes on. Then Camelot Kitten to the inside. They have Blacktype to catch. Sir's trying to reel him in. Hello Don Julio is third. Blacktype holding on to this lead from Sir as they come down to the line. Blacktype, Sir. Blacktype does it in the Knickerbocker. Sir was second. Hello Don Julio held third, and then Spring Quality.